Welcome back, Flutter developers. Today I will be showing you how to make use of Flutter themes in cross-platform landing page that we have designed in the previous videos. In here, we are making use of three different colors. As you see, purple, green, and blue color. There is a slight difference in between these three. First, as you can notice very clearly, there's a color is different. Here we have purple login and purple who. Here purple header, green and green login button, and as you see in the blue. There's a one slight differences in the purple and the green. This one, the header icon and this title is a little italic, while navigational links are a simple bold here in purple and in here. And in blue, we have made use of custom fonts that I will show you how I achieved that. So in here, there is a global theme that I used for changing the different colors. And also you might notice there's a little orange subscribe. That's an example of how I made use of the local theming. And again, this whole video is a companion video of my article that I have published in my blog. Let's go back to it. So this is my article that I have published recently about theming cross-platform apps on using Flutter. And as it mentions, it's in continuation of making cross-platform landing pages, how to make it responsive. And this is this is in continuation of designing cross-platform Flutter prototype for landing page. So this is my first post about this, and this is like probably it's about the theming in this particular video. So the goal of this whole exercise is to be able to create the cross-platform themes for web and native apps. And as you see, it's more little explanation about what we just saw before in slides. In the blue theme, I have used the Indie Flower font. That's right here. I'll show you how to get it integrated in our app. And we have made use of the local theming right here in the subscribe button. And in the header, here we have used a theming for the text theming for text styling. In the purple theme, we of course have made use of the purple color. No default font or text styling is used much. Only we have made it a little bit italic. That's pretty much to it, and it picked up the font whatever was available on the system. And in here in the green theme, in the header section is green, and you might see this part is a little bit italic. That's what we made for the green theme to make it to show how we can change different attributes in different themes. So it's about little introduction about how theming work. There are two ways to implement themes in Flutter. One is a global theme and another is a local theme. In global theme, as you can see, the color is like which applies to the whole app at once. And if you change one attribute, everything changes. It's like at the root level, which is a global theme. So here I have made change in colors using my global theme. And we use something called theme data class to implement it. And another thing is local theme. And I have used subscribe button to demonstrate this local themes. And what we do here, we make use of theme widget, and we pass our theme data, which is very specific to that particular component in the theme widget. So I have distributed this whole article in three parts. In the part 1, we will be seeing how to create global themes. And in part 2, I'll show you how to make use of local themes for a particular widget. Especially, I'll be discussing subscribe button. And in the third part, I will show you how to use custom fonts like Indie Flower, how you download it and how you integrate in your app. And last but not least, I will be showing you how to run the same web app into the native into the Android and iOS. Here's the little this is the Android counterpart, and this is the iOS for the final app. Let's get out of here. All right, so let's move it to the part 1.